Right, so we've returned here at Sabon Zongo. This is the area that was heavily affected by the flooding yesterday. Unfortunately, it's not raining today, so the place is quite okay. This behind me here is the Tunnel River. The people believe the crocodiles are living in here. There are people also beyond the river. There was a bridge here, a small bridge here that was put up there by the people here. Take a look. The rainwater has moved out the bridge to that side of the river. The crocodiles, according to them, should be in the water as we speak now, where they get out and then into their homes when it rains heavily.
We've been engaging the people here on the extent of damage caused by the floods. Mr. Ishaq Suleimana is a resident here.
When there is a flood like that of yesterday, people around here, just this house, like yesterday's own, it entered about 4 or 5 rooms. They can't even use the room any longer. So there are like bags of rice and the rest. So they have to convey everything from the rooms as at this morning. And then also, when it happened, and let's say we the elders are not there, by all means our children will be in danger.
How be brain a bray and Ryanda. Nsuoni yirisa wura ye dem yanda ejina ho saa ma ade achi bit me da bi nso anda bi suku atu koda baby sister ba ko ha no otu koda baby up to date nsuoni da so ta dem ho enko e ade achi ka mekojo manko ne mu be 15 bucks nyina agu nsuom yana ya boa na hata na ya sisi no ma na kakra in fact nsuoni die ehe papa.
The invasion of the community by crocodiles continued to be a major challenge for the people here, and are calling on authorities to intervene.
Of course, we are afraid it can hurt someone because when they are lying down and animal is passing, they do catch them. Since they are catching animals that is passing, so they can equally catch a human being in case the water carried them along and they meet any child of them.
The people say more than 24 hours after the incident, they are yet to be visited by officials of the National Disaster Management Organization and the Wildlife Division of the Forestry Commission.
As at yesterday, you are the first person I've seen coming here to maybe find out things. But I have not personally seen anybody. Like I said, I didn't also go anywhere.
So be aba ma ya gafara mpo na wa behwe ya na ya chini ya yonko na ya bobo yonko na.
Whilst here, we realized that the weather is cloudy again and these people here are terrified with the situation. This woman here has packed out hoping to seek shelter from elsewhere together with her children.
And I'm asking some in Rome, a jack, your paper, a boy, where it's one of the years. I say, I just Sunday.
Moko dying for this year.
I said, a PF and a copy by you. They made a baby cry, a yammy. I saw doom even now, I do me and no idea. The sunrise say, do for me a Benjamin by Fako and no G. Your father so called by Biaquada,
She says, aside the crocodile invasion, their homes are sometimes being invaded by snakes whenever it rains.
Senya dying day to me to what me jina want to get to what me fat down in Yamenqua, one the cassia, Yamenqua and Amity Baranda, Kawura Baranda. Me was going to say, me a pedamitia, one is so near me, senior, me won't Jimmy or Menqua, me can't get it to my Metia Sarana, what said then, Americano on the
This is the situation. They are living here. Their animals, sheep, goats, chicken, are always being hunted by these crocodiles. They want authorities to come to their aid as soon as possible before something terrible happens in the near future. From Sabon Zongo here in Tichima in the Bono East region, my name is Anna Savage reporting for Joy News.